we're diving into a concept that could transform the way you think, make decisions, and ultimately, how you live your life. Imagine a tool that allows you to step back from the noise of daily life, evaluate your thoughts, and make more informed decisions. This tool exists and it's called reflective thinking. In this video, we'll explore what reflective thinking is, why it's so powerful, and how you can master it to unlock your full potential. If you're ready to take your self-awareness to the next level, you're in the right place. Let's get started. 1. What is reflective thinking? Reflective thinking is a process where you take a step back and thoughtfully consider your experiences, thoughts, and emotions. It's not just about thinking, but about thinking critically and deeply. When you engage in reflective thinking, you're not merely processing information or reacting to situations. Instead, you're analyzing and evaluating them to gain a deeper understanding. But what makes reflective thinking so unique? It's the deliberate pause it encourages. In a world where we're constantly bombarded with information and pressured to make quick decisions, reflective thinking offers a moment of clarity. It's about asking yourself important questions. What happened? Why did it happen? What could I have done differently? How can I learn from this? 2. The power of reflective thinking. Why should you care about reflective thinking? Because it's a powerful tool for personal and professional growth. Reflective thinking allows you to learn from your experiences, identify patterns in your behavior, and make better decisions in the future. It's a process that turns everyday experiences into valuable lessons. Let's break down some key benefits. Enhanced self-awareness. Reflective thinking helps you understand your strengths, weaknesses, and motivations. This self-awareness is the first step in making meaningful changes in your life. Improved problem-solving skills. By reflecting on past challenges, you can identify what worked and what didn't, making you better equipped to handle similar situations in the future. Better decision-making. Reflective thinking allows you to weigh the pros and cons of your choices more thoroughly, leading to more informed and thoughtful decisions. Increased emotional intelligence. By reflecting on your emotions and reactions, you can develop greater empathy and understanding, both for yourself and others. 3. How to practice reflective thinking. Now that we've covered the importance of reflective thinking, let's dive into how you can start incorporating it into your daily life. 1. Set aside time for reflection. The first step in developing reflective thinking is to create space for it in your life. Whether it's a few minutes each day or a longer session at the end of the week, make sure you dedicate time to reflect on your experiences. 2. Ask the right questions. Reflective thinking is driven by questions. Start by asking yourself what happened during a particular event or situation. Follow up with why it happened, how you felt about it, and what you can learn from it. 3. Keep a journal. Writing down your thoughts is a powerful way to engage in reflective thinking. It allows you to track your progress over time and provides a tangible record of your reflections. 4. Seek feedback. Sometimes, our reflections can be limited by our own perspectives. Seeking feedback from others can provide new insights and help you see things from a different angle. 5. Embrace your growth mindset. Reflective thinking is most effective when combined with a growth mindset. Approach your reflections with the belief that you can learn and grow from every experience, even the challenging ones. 4. Common challenges and how to overcome them. Reflective thinking isn't always easy. Here are some common challenges you might face and how to overcome them. Time constraints. In our busy lives, finding time for reflection can be difficult. The key is to start small. Even 5 minutes a day can make a difference. Over time, you can gradually increase the time you dedicate to reflection. Negative self-talk. Reflecting on past mistakes can sometimes lead to negative self-talk. It's important to approach reflection with a mindset of learning, not judgment. Focus on what you can learn from the experience rather than dwelling on what went wrong. Difficulty staying objective. It can be hard to stay objective when reflecting on your experiences. To combat this, try to view the situation as if you were an outsider looking in. What advice would you give to a friend in the same situation? 5. How reflective thinking unlocks your full potential. Reflective thinking is more than just a mental exercise. It's a tool for unlocking your full potential. By regularly engaging in reflective thinking, you can continuously improve yourself, make better decisions, and approach life's challenges with greater confidence. When you reflect, you gain a clearer understanding of your values, goals, and desires. This clarity allows you to align your actions with your true self, leading to a more fulfilling and purpose-driven life. Whether you're looking to improve your career, relationships, or personal well-being, reflective thinking can help you get there. Reflective thinking is a powerful practice that can transform your life in profound ways. By taking the time to pause, reflect, and learn from your experiences, you're investing in your personal growth and development. Remember, mastery doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent practice, you can become more self-aware, make better decisions, and ultimately, unlock your full potential. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on personal growth and self-improvement. Drop a comment below on how you plan to incorporate reflective thinking into your life. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep reflecting and keep growing.